Welcome to our channel Learn Kashmiri with Arihant. In this video, we will talk about transforming sentences in the Kashmiri language. This is based on the book Spoken Kashmiri, a language course by Omkar N Koul. In the chapter 1 of this book, we have learnt the way to form sentences. For example, this is a tree in Kashmiri is Yichu Kul. And in the same way, several other sentences can be made like Yichu Makan, Huchu Pyal, Huchu Devargir, Ye Che Dar, and so on. Now, in this lesson, we will learn to convert these sentences that you see on the screen from their current singular tense to plural. So, let's see the first example. Ye chu kul. This is a tree. When we have to convert this sentence, we will convert each of the three words. Ye becomes yim, chu becomes che, and kul becomes kuil. Therefore, the final transformed sentence is yim che kuil. These are trees. Ye chu makan. This is a house. When we have to convert it into plural, we will say yim che makan. These are houses. Ye becomes yim, chu becomes che, and makan becomes makan. It is very important to remember that apart from the nouns used in these sentences, all other words transform using specific grammar rules in the Kashmiri language. These rules are summarized here. This is represented by yim for plural and ye for singular in case of masculine, and then you can see for feminine it is ye or yim. In the same way, that is hu and whom, or ha and hum, and also that can be represented as su slash tim or sa slash tim, depending upon whether you're using it for a singular context or a plural context. So let's get back to our sentences as it will be more clearer for us. Hu chu pyal, that is a cup. Hum ch pyal, those are cups. Hu chu devargir, that is a lantern. Hum ch devargir, those are lanterns. Special situation. In both these sentences, we are using the same form for lantern in Kashmiri. This is because about 40% of Kashmiri nouns do not change their form while we use them to demonstrate singular or plural situations. Yicha dar, is this a window? Yimcha darya, are these windows? Yicha almar, is this a cupboard? Yimcha almare, are these cupboards? Ha cha kunz, is that a key? Hum cha kunz, are those keys? Ha cha gur, is that a watch? Hum cha gare, are those watches? That was it in the lesson number 10. In case you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do click on that red subscribe button and press the bell icon. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.